Immediate impact: Super Typhoon Ragasa, initially classified as a catastrophic storm, unleashed torrential rains and winds across eastern Taiwan, triggering widespread destruction in Hualien County. The storm's outer rim caused severe flooding and landslides, with at least 14 deaths and 17 missing reported nationwide. A critical landslide in the Mataian River's upper reaches formed a massive landslide-dammed lake. By afternoon, overflowing waters destroyed the Mataian Bridge visible in post-disaster imagery, threatening downstream communities with potential flash floods. Emergency response. Mandatory evacuations were enforced in Guangfu, Wanron and Finglin Townships, 12 villages total, with residents relocated to temporary shelters. Rescue teams faced extreme challenges due to destroyed roads, unstable slopes and rising rivers, leaving 77 people trapped in isolated areas. The central government deployed helicopters, heavy machinery and disaster response units to assist Hualien's overstretched emergency teams. Ongoing risks, despite Ragasa's downgraded status as it moved toward China. Its rain bands continued to batter eastern Taiwan, saturating soils and elevating risks of additional landslides, mudflows and flash floods. Authorities warned that a collapse of the natural dam could unleash a catastrophic surge, overwhelming downstream areas within minutes. Residents were urged not to return to evacuated zones. Broader implications: the disaster highlighted systemic vulnerabilities. Critical infrastructure roads, bridges proved inadequate against climate-driven storms. Disaster preparedness in remote townships requires urgent upgrades to ensure timely evacuations and supply delivery. Analysts emphasize that climate change is intensifying storms like Ragasa, which now deliver heavier rainfall and stronger winds than historical precedents. Key statistics: 30 for disaster incidents logged nationwide: floods, landslides, infrastructure damage. 2 million evacuated in southern China as Ragasa made landfall. This crisis has reignited debates about Taiwan's disaster resilience amid increasingly extreme weather patterns.